Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to this 10-minute total body yoga to twist and release class. So a couple of things you might need, possibly a blanket for underneath the knees and a couple of bricks if you got them. And just make sure you're well hydrated and you've got plenty of space to practice, and we shall begin. So come to a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes as you bring the palms of the hands together. Take a long inhale. Exhale, sit a little taller. Inhale, squeeze the pelvic floor. Exhale, gently bow the head. And take a few moments to keep the breath moving. Checking in with body, mind, and emotions. You may wish to bring an intention to the practice today. So we're here to twist and release anything you'd like to have less of, to cleanse, get rid of. This is a great practice for that. And then take a deeper breath in. Exhale, gently open the eyes. So we'll begin with a twist. Inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale, turning to your right side. Inhale. Exhale. And keep the gaze level in the eyebrow space. Or maybe turn the head to look over the shoulder. Deep breathing. And just tucking in the pelvic floor. If you're in a chair, you can just turn, hold the back of the chair. And then inhale to center. Exhale, changing sides. Nice, easy spinal twist. Inhale. Exhale. So keeping the Ujjayi breath moving through the nostrils. And we'll take one more breath here. And then inhale, lift through center and exhale. Now, as you bring the arms down, cross at the elbows and just bring the hands to rest nicely on the knees. Good. From here, inhale, unthread the left arm, stretch it up, and exhale as you thread it through. And other side, inhale to lift, exhale. Do this once more to each side, just warming up. Inhale to lift, exhale. And again, inhale to lift, exhale. Inhale, take the arms out to the sides, and exhale, lower down. So from here, coming through to an all-fours position. Spread out the fingers, knees underneath the hips. From here, inhale, tuck the toes. Exhale, push and lift back into downward dog. Inhale. Exhale, just begin to lift and lower the heels. If you need to do this with the knees down, single legs, that's okay. Might wish to reach all the way back, just let the head dangle. Gaze between the heels. And then inhale, lift the left leg up to your own measure. Exhale, draw the left knee into the belly. Inhale, step the left foot by the left hand or help it through. Exhale, as you come into a high lunge position on the ball of the back foot, press into the front heel. Inhale, slowly lift up, just get your balance there. Exhale, you can bring the hands to the hips in the first instance. And then inhale, swoosh the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands to prayer hands. Inhale, twist into the left side, you can stay high. Exhale, you may bend a bit deeper, or you might hook the elbow all the way over. Just see what's better doable for you. Big inhale, lift the chest towards the thumbs, that's it. Exhale, press the arms together firmly. Lift the back, inner thigh, push out through the heel. Lovely. And then a bit tricky, press into the front heel. Inhale, squeeze the inner thighs together. Exhale as you arrive. Now inhale, bring the back heel down, straighten the front leg. Exhale, bring the left hands to the sacrum. Inhale, float the right arm up. Exhale, begin to fold into Pavarita Trikonasana. Now you bring your hand above your knee. That's an option. It might be onto the shin, or it might be onto the floor, or it might be onto a brick. So I'm going to use a brick. So inhale, lift the chest. Exhale. Breathing. Scissor the inner thighs together. Feels comfortable in your body. You might lift your left arm up. Just choose your gaze point. Might be down, straight ahead, or up. Keep breathing. It's a tricky posture, I know. We're in the chair, you just step your left leg forward and then twist to that left side. Lift the arms if you wish. Good, and then exhale, bring everything down, rebend the front knee. Inhale, pivot on the back foot. Exhale, step back into plank or knees down plank. Just hold here, squeeze the glutes. Lift the back of the knees up. And then exhale, push back into downward dog. Just take a breath. Good, and then inhale, float the right leg up. Exhale, knee into belly. Inhale again, step through, stay on the ball of the back foot. Exhale, stabilize. Inhale, press through the front heel, lift up. Exhale, again, bring the hands to Anjali. Inhale. Exhale again, easy twist to the right side. You might bend a bit further forward. You might hook the elbow. Just see what's best for you. Just turn so I can see you. That's it, breathing. Breathing and feeling. So continue to twist and release. Total body focus. You might be getting nice and toasty. Good. And then inhale, tricky. Come back to center. Woo, you might wobble a bit. It's okay. Keep weight in the front heel. Exhale, bring the back heel down. Straighten the leg. Inhale, right hand to the sacrum. Lift the left arm up. Exhale, begin to hinge forward. And again, you can bring the hand to rest above the knee and just twist from there. Lovely. You might bring the hand to the shin, twist from there, the ankle, hands to floor or hands to brick or block. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale. Good. Feel all those sensations. Feel the discomfort in this posture. Breathe into it. Try and relax into it. If it's suitable, you'll lift the top arm up. Good. Relax around the jawline. Use the bandha. Stabilize. One more breath. Doing really well. Good. And then inhale, look down. Exhale. From here, inhale again. Bring both hands down. Exhale, step back into plank or bring the knees down plank. Squeezing and holding here. Good. And then from here, inhale, bring the knees down. Exhale. Pressing into the right hand on the inhale, float the left arm up. So another twist through the shoulders. Exhale, thread through. You can either stay on the forearm and look straight down. You might continue to thread through all the way to the left shoulder. Stabilize here. You can either keep the right hand down, draw the right hip back, and then take the fingertips of the right hand forward. Breathing. Any of those options is fine. Good. An option here on the inhale is to step the right leg back, lift the back in a knee. No, you might fall over. It's okay. Just try and stabilize. It might be a bit wobbly. Another option is to lift the right arm and wrap that around the back and hook it on top of the thigh. Continue to roll the right shoulder open as you breathe. Good. And exhale. Good. Bring the hand down. Bring the knee in. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale. Pause for a moment. Just have a little sway. That's great. So this is kind of a twist and a release. The shoulders. So then pressing into the left hand. Inhale, lift the right arm up. Exhale, same option. So forearm, thread all the way through. Take a breath as you arrive. Stabilize. You might keep the hand there. Or you can take the fingertips forward. Draw the left hip back subtly this time. Deep Ujjayi breathing. Good. From here, you have the option of stepping the left leg back, not too high. Try and drop the left hip down. Good. A final option is to wrap the left arm, taking a bind around the back, rolling the left shoulder open, but keep weight in that left shoulder. Right shoulder even. Still breathing. Good. Then unravel. Bring the hand down, bring the knee in. Inhale as you come back to center and exhale. Again, just have an easy twist, little sway out there. Good. From here, we bring the knees forward. We come through to seated position. Let's stretch out the legs. And then inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, begin to hinge forward towards Paschimottanasana. So you can take the fingertips of the left hand down. Exhale, bring the right fingertips over the left leg. This is a twist version. You might bring the left hand onto the sacrum and again continue to pivot round. This is a really nice release for the lower back. Good. If this is too much to lean forward, again, you might bring yourself to a prayer hands version. Good. Breathing. And then squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale to lift back to center. Exhale again. Take the left hand over, right hand behind. Inhale. Keep lifting the chest forward. Good. Exhale. Again, right hand can come to sacrum. Inhale. You can use that to kind of pivot yourself around. Breathing. One more breath. Good. And then inhale, lift back to center. Exhale, bring the arms down. Scooch down onto the floor. And on the inhale, gather the knees in to equalize. Exhale, just have an easy rock from side to side. And then making your way to comfortable relaxation positions. It might be full Shavasana, laying all the way out. You might have your feet on the floor. As you arrive, close the eyes, take a big inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. Let go of everything you've released. We draw to the close of this total body yoga. Twist and release. So now drift and be. Absorb the prana, the energy from the practice. If you wish to stay longer, please do. Otherwise, big inhale. Exhale, bring some movements to fingers and toes, and then take an inhale, a big full body stretch. Exhale, bend the knees, bend the elbows. Again, squeeze the knees in. And just roll over to one side. And then inhale, stretch the leg out and just make your way through to comfortable seated position. Good, sitting nice and tall. We inhale, bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. We'll close with the vibration of Om. Exhale, then big inhale. Om. Gently bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, namaste. So thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you're feeling good. If you like the class, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you on the mat very soon.